Hello, welcome to the video. M2. I can't actually see M2. M2. Welcome. Today it is the M2 Owners UK Caffeine and Machine Meet. Basically, there's a Facebook group called M2 Owners UK. If you have an M2, or if you want to buy an M2, or if you like M2s, join the group. And basically, we all chat, we all talk about stuff. And one guy basically suggested we all meet up one day. So 4th of July, Caffeine and Machine, here we are today. So it's really nice to kind of just get out, meet all the owners, meet the people that I've been talking to in the forums, on Facebook. Probably not the most interesting event because it's just M2s and I've got an M2 and you guys have seen M2s before. But it's just a great day to just kind of get out, meet people. A few people you've seen on the channel before, so Carl, my dad is here, Will's here, Josh as well from Auto ID. Hey. But we'll do a little walk around anyway, and I'll show you what is here. It's just a load of M2s, but you get the point. Like and subscribe if you're new, and let's get filming. Get a quick clip of Evolve's N55 OGM2 before they leave. Sounds mega. Right, I'm going to start right at the back here with the best colour and one of the coolest wheels. They are the M4 GTS wheels, which is the first I've seen. I imagine that's a GTS bonnet as well. Is this your car? No, okay. So I can slag it off then.
Wait for you to,
that's cool.
do your video.
That's fine, no worries. GTS bonnet. Wing at the back, very cool and very different. And we've even got painted gold calipers. Nice. This is Matt from MGM Motors. You might have seen him on the channel before, other Caffeine and Machine meets. He has springs and spacers, so he makes me very, very jealous because, you know, no arch gap whatsoever. And he's recently got a Scorpion OPF back system from a guy named Shaq. We'll probably get him to turn it on in a bit and we can have a little listen. There was also an M5 meet in the earlier slot at Caffeine and Machine, so there's a bunch of M5s here. Very nice San Marino blue M5 over there as well. Some more M5s. Long Beach blue. It's going to be the most repetitive video ever. This is very, very cool. Probably the most interesting colour. Is this a wrap, sir?
It is, mate, yeah.
It is, yeah? Do you know the name of the colour?
When I got sold it, I got told it's in Miami blue.
Miami blue. It looks a bit brighter than Miami blue.
Marina than,
Yeah.
or maybe Riviera blue.
Yeah, yeah.
Riviera blue plus.
What have you done to it? Have you got springs and spacers?
Yeah, 12 on the front, 15 on the back. Springs are just stock suspension. Yeah, just been wrapped, obviously.
It's the only M2 here that's not Long Beach blue, sunset orange.
They're all these colours.
Yeah.
I know.
It stands out the most.
Anyway.
There we go. We've got 2 more subs. Hey! Right, I've been distracted chatting to people, but we've made it around to the front. This is very cool with the wheels. Gives me the kind of like Supra Japanese vibe, or old school M3. Very aggressive splitter. No front plate. Well done. Really nice. Probably one of the coolest cars here.
They smell. You don't want to go in the boys' toilet.
There we go. Look at the interior on that. I don't know if you can see. Probably can't. It looks very high to me. Maybe these are how they're supposed to look, but it looks like an SUV. I don't know. Let me know if they're supposed to look like that, but very cool. We've got a, I think, California as well. Only Ferrari here. That's turned up today. And then we've got a Lotus Exige next to, I parked my M2 at the front now. Hee hee! Next to the guy's Miami Blue in the last clip. Lotus Exige. Let's have a look inside. Look at that gearbox. I'll stand here. How cool is that? Very nice. Bucket seats. Very cool. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. I can see myself buying an old school 911 one day. Brown interior. Right, it's probably the shortest video, well, talking wise anyway. I'm going to leave the video here. If anything interesting happens after this, I'll slap it at the end of the video, but it's just a load of M2s. There's really not, in my opinion anyway, Caffeine and Machine videos never do that well, just because people aren't really interested in vlogs. They want to see comparisons, drive-bys, etc. But for me, they're fun to film, and for the people who come to the meets, V10 M5. For the people who come to the meets and for, like, you know, it's quite nice to watch back over the videos and see the day. So I enjoyed meeting everyone. If I chatted to you, good to meet you. If you're new, subscribe if you're new, the usual. I'll leave the video here, blah blah blah. Have a good one, and I'll see you later in the next video. Okay, coolest car's just arrived. Easter. Who's just arrived in his brand new GT4 and Gentium Blue. Well done, Charlie. Looks fantastic. Just parked up. Hey. Go on, start up. Alright.